Introduce highlight features and overview of WATSMAR portable blender. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The portable blender extractor is designed with 6 PCS 304 stainless steel blades and strong power system, pure copper motor, quick speed and long life, which can effortlessly make fruits, vegetables into smoothie within 1 minute. The USB juicer cup equipped with 4000 mAh rechargeable high-quality batteries that can be recharged in a variety of ways, like charging by power bank, AC adapter, and computer. And charging time is 3 to 5 hours, fully charged can produce 15 to 20 cups of juice. Made of eco-friendly, food-grade non-toxic PCTG material, BPA-free, silicone bottom, non-slip, and shock absorption. The juice blender is designed with safe magnetic induction. Please make sure the red arrow aim to switch. This handheld blender is equipped with a travel cover for easy carrying. You can drink nutritious juices, milkshakes or smoothies wherever you want, such as home, office, gym, travel, or any other outdoor activities. In addition, it can be taken on the plane. Simply pour some water into personal blender and double-click the on/off button to start automatic cleaning. This portable juicer is also a suitable gift for juice and travel enthusiasts. Suitable for indoor and outdoor activities. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.